If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, this guide will help you troubleshoot and enhance your voice chat experience. Follow these steps to resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to voice chat issues. Test your connection by browsing or streaming content to confirm it's working properly. Step 2. Update Steam Deck software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance, including voice chat functionality. Step 3. Adjust voice chat settings. Navigate to the Steam settings and select the voice option. Here, you could adjust your input and output devices, as well as the volume levels. Make sure your microphone is selected as the input device and the correct output device is chosen for listening. Step 4. Test your microphone. To ensure your microphone is working properly, use the built-in voice recording feature or voice chat application. Speak into the microphone and check if the audio is being captured. If not, check the microphone settings and connections. Step 5. Restart the Steam Deck. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting your Steam Deck. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system, potentially fixing any lingering voice chat problems. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your voice chat experience on your Steam Deck. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.